Sport meets style aboard the Tiara Sport 43 LS. Yamaha power is balanced with aesthetically and aerodynamically pleasing lines and engineered for peak boating experience. Social zones have been expanded and well appointed. The largest of the Tiara Sport lineup at 43 feet, the 43 LS is both athletic and performance-minded while delivering luxury in her lines and layout. Welcome to Elegance in Motion on the Tiara Sport 43 LS. The layout of the 43 provides key social zones, offering enjoyment and relaxation for your guests aboard. A walkway to the starboard side provides access for guests forward to the spacious bow social zone, featuring wraparound seating, stereo entertainment, and open views underway or at anchor. Anchoring the 43 can be done with switching at the helm or a remote adjacent to the anchor locker. All gear is securely installed in a large locker with the anchor mounted through the stem and recessed. An optional Mediterranean sunshade can be utilized in the bow, providing shade and ambiance to this key social zone. Plush seating with detailed stitching, comfortable armrests with cup holders, and forward-facing chaise lounge with footrest add to the ergonomics in the bow. Install the table for a convenient place to serve food or beverages. Dedicated storage for the optional Mediterranean sunshade and general marine gear is located below the forward lounge section. The supports for the shade are stowed under the starboard side gunnel. A convenient bow rail provides safety, and just below the gunnel, finished fiberglass cutouts are sized to stow fenders and also house water connections. To the port side of the helm, a combination step and elevated walk with optional teak flooring lets you easily board or access the bow. The handrail at the hardtop provides added security. The console presents itself with simplicity and elegance, featuring the latest navigation technologies highlighted by teak, leather, and Corian finishes. Garmin Marine electronics and mechanical component switching are presented in a logical manner for intuitive use. New or seasoned captains will easily adapt and enjoy their time at the helm. Overhead, you'll find all of the necessary navigational gear is purposefully located and mounted. One of the key features at the helm is the solid, one-piece tempered safety glass window with installation fully integrated to the hardtop. The visibility is 100% wide open for a safe and more relaxed operation. To gain height at the helm, unlatch and release the integrated footrest for more visibility forward if needed. The hardtop above the helm features a skylight with fixed glass port and starboard and a hatch on centerline, offering additional air to the control center. Pull the shade to cover the skylight and protect against the sun. A glove box with dual charging station is built into the Corian surface, and stainless cup holders hold refreshments secure. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features hand-stitched upholstery detail with complementing touches on the console and dash, providing a superior level of craftsmanship. Detailed stitching, upholstery accent, and quilting are carried through the helm seating, matching the bow. With room for four, the helm seating may be enjoyed as a bench or take your own individual place by opening each dedicated armrest. The dual-width captain's seat adjusts electrically fore and aft at the touch of a switch. Passengers may take advantage of flip-down footrests mounted underneath seating, while the captain uses the teak treads built into the helm face below. Accented with teak decking, Corian countertop, and a variety of amenities, the galley is built for entertaining. The elegant styling and surface finishes established throughout the exterior and interior forward are translated to this zone. Complete with sink, grill, and 2-drawer unit refrigerators, captain and guests will find what they need for entertaining. Storage drawers provide space for keeping items, and a compartment for trash helps to keep the galley tidy. A designated location for a 50-quart cooler is located under the center of the helm seat and is easily accessed from the galley. An optional ice maker may be installed in lieu of the standard starboard side storage compartment. While underway, the galley offers a padded bolster with a stainless steel grab rail, offering guests a secure place near the helm to enjoy the cruise. Bench seating with storage below is located aft of the galley. The storage includes dedicated stowage for the removable swimming ladder. The cockpit is built at one level for ease of movement and enjoyment. A hull-side boarding door located port offers an elegant way to board or great access to the water with the removable swimming ladder. Increase the entertainment in the cockpit by deploying the TV from the hardtop via a push button. The TV is securely locked in place when not in use. The standard Make-Fast Marine powered sunshade may be extended to provide shade to the cockpit. Hull-side storage compartments on both port and starboard house multiple dock lines. The fiberglass hardtop with inlaid upholstered fabric panels house LED lighting overhead. The aft supports are designed into the hull-side gunnels, showcasing modern engineering and styling details in the fiberglass finish, a mark of the talented craftsmen building this vessel. The U-Lounge creates a feature social zone aboard, featuring a convertible teak table, plenty of storage, and sun pad filler cushion that can be installed by lowering the table. Beautifully upholstered, the lounge offers guests the opportunity to rotate the seat 180 degrees to more easily enjoy water activities via the floor space revealed in front of the engines. A 3-step telescopic boarding ladder is located in the port platform extension. Shore power is located starboard. A handheld shower is located on the port side gunnel wall. The mechanical space is accessed through a single cockpit floor hatch and reveals an open area to service major components, filters, and bilge. The optional Seakeeper SK6 has a dedicated mounting location. A sliding door located at the port side of the helm welcomes you to the cabin. Finished with teak and beechwood, fabric details, and elegant hardware, the cabin boasts a full athwartship berth, plenty of storage, private head, and mid-cabin berth. The private head has every amenity for overnighting, including shower and lighted vanity with storage. Convert the mid-cabin berth by folding the mattress to reveal additional storage. Microwave, ample storage compartments including a cedar-backed hanging locker located on the starboard side, and a flat-screen TV are all smartly engineered into the cabin. The 43LS presents all of the necessary features and amenities to provide luxury, entertaining, and fun on the water. Owners and guests are sure to appreciate the customizable mood lighting around the cockpit, along with the underwater lights at the transom. Powered by triple Yamaha 425s, you'll reach a top speed of 54.6 miles per hour. With a 270-mile range at cruise, you're certain to enjoy your favorite ports and adventure with authority. Experience sport and style aboard the 43LS. Visit tiarasport.com or stop by your factory-authorized Tiara Sport dealer and schedule a sea trial today.